Hello class 8. Today we are going to discuss about the various types of quadrilaterals. So there are many types: parallelogram, rectangle, square, tights, rhombus, isoscale, trapezium. So we will discuss about in detail. Firstly, there are two mentioned in the board and you are watching them. Understand? And in this video, I will use a little bit of Hindi also because some of the students are feeling difficulty in understanding the English conversation and they are posting comments. Different types of comments. This video is bad because they are not understanding the questions also. So just to don't worry that sir is using Hindi because it is a demand. So I will have to fulfill this kind of desire of the students. Understand? So let me start. So the heading is to know more about various types of quadrilaterals. The first one is parallelogram. You are seeing the figure in the right side of the board. So आपने कभी देखा होगा जो टीवी का बॉक्स आता ना, टीवी का बॉक्स, अगर आपको किसी दो अपोजिट कॉर्नर से, सपोज दैट ये टीवी का बॉक्स है, ओके, इसी टाइप का होता है, आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू प्रेस देम फ्रॉम द अपोजिट कॉर्नर. आप उसको प्रेस कर दो थोड़ा सा, लिटिल बिट ऑफ, यू हैव टू प्रेस देम, देन it will convert into parallelogram. Means the rectangle is a type of parallelogram. This is mentioned here. A rectangle is a parallelogram. That's why I put together, because these are the same but the little bit difference is there. Understand? So the definition of parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means never meet each other anywhere. This line and this line, अगर आप इसको इंक्रीज करो, डॉट 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 एंड हियर आल्सो डॉट 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 एंड हियर आल्सो डॉट डॉट डॉट, और इसको आप दिल्ली तक ले जाओ एंड इसको आप मुंबई तक ले जाओ, they will never meet, like the train's track. Understand the train's track? You know, they never meet to each other. And the bank of the river bank, they have water flow. So this one and this one, they never meet. Canals. So these are some examples of the parallel lines. Understand? This is a practical mathematics, not to just a rectification. Just to make your mind and set in your mind maths, not read. Just imagine in your mind. So there are some features. Opposite sides are equal. This is one feature, and it is consist into the definition. It is not only the definition but also one feature. The opposite sides. Opposite sides means this one and this one, this one and this one are parallel, and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angle means C and angle C equals to angle A equals to angle C, and angle B equals to angle D. Understand? Opposite sides are equal means AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD. Understand? And diagonal bisect each other. What are diagonals? Diagonals means a line that meet from the opposite angle, that match from this line and this line. These are the diagonals. So diagonal bisect each other means वो एक दूसरे को कट करते हैं, but not in equal. They are not equal. Understand? These are the parallelogram features. Now we talk about the rectangle. And rectangle, अगर आप इसको opposite side, अगर इस वाले साइड को अगर आप थोड़ा सा प्रेस कर दोगे इन दोनों को, then it will convert into the rectangle. Understand? You can see the figure. This is. So what is the definition of the rectangle? A rectangle is a parallelogram. Means it is rectangle formed from the parallelogram. रेक्टेंगल किससे बनता है? पैरेललोग्राम से ही रेक्टेंगल बनता है. So one angle is right angle, means one angle should be right angle. Look at here, this is the symbol of right angle. There the angle is different types, their angle is different kinds. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Let me clear the sweat. Opposite sides are equal. There also you can write AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD. Each adjacent angle means one after another, means AB. So here you can write angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degrees. All the angles are 90 degrees. And the line, last one, diagonals are equal. Means these lines, if you draw the line here and here, and suppose that if we need that, suppose that the meeting point is O. If the meeting point is O, so the diagonals are equal. So what you will write? AO equals to OC, means this part is equal to this part. Here AO equal to OC and OB equal to OD. OB equals to OD. And bisect each other. You are saying that they are cutting each other. Cutting means they are intersecting each other. Cutting, not they are like cutting like a mango. Understand? So I hope you understand these two figures very clearly.